Welcome to Durga Soft online training sessions. And myself, myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. See, this batch is actually, there are two batches in this. So the title of this batch is Basic Java Package. So in this batch, let me give the complete information about the course details, then we will see remaining things. So what courses will be covered in this? So first we are going to see core Java. So then we are going to discuss about JDBC like advanced Java. Then servlets, it is also related to the advanced Java. So JSP. After that we are going to finish so UI technologies. So like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery. These are things we are going to see. And even we are going to talk about Oracle 19C. And with all these tools, we are going to develop one mini project. So this is nothing but the tools which we are going to cover in this total basic Java package course. Okay. The duration of this course is 4 months. So Jan, so Feb, March, April. You can expect the course completion almost at the end of this April. And fees for this particular batch is 12,000, including materials and videos. And very important, timings. So the timings of this batch is not at 9 o'clock. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it is a normal track. Normal track in the sense, slowly I'm going to explain the concepts from basic to the next level. Okay. And in these, there are two batches. The people who are interested to attend only core Java, you can select core Java. That is nothing but module 1. Course 1 is nothing but so only core Java. So you can pay and you can register by paying rupees 5,000 for only core Java. And course 2 is nothing but what? This basic Java package. Okay, basic Java package. In this, all these four courses like core Java, advanced Java, UI technologies, and Oracle. These four courses will come. So for this, the fees is nothing but rupees 12,000. So it is up to you, your choice. So if you want to develop the complete full stack, better to go for this basic Java package. If you need only core Java, you can go for this. Okay. So up to 1.5 months or 2 months, only core Java will be there. So parallelly, we are going to discuss this UI technologies as well as Oracle. But once if the completion of core Java over, then only we will discuss about JDBC, servlets, JSP like that. Okay, this is nothing but our course pattern, course details. So if you are having any queries, please let me know. Then I will show you the syllabus. Any questions? So feel free to ask your queries. So already this batch got started. It is an add-on batch. The batch is started last week. It is an add-on batch.
Sir, what is this add-on batch? Matlab, already the 1 week for the past 1 week, something why already might have been covered.
Yes, those things I will cover for you people.
Okay, that means
So
again it is not a starting new batch.
no, it is a starting batch only. Last Monday we started a new batch, sir. So just to add few more people into that batch, just we plan another temporary batch. We will combine this batch with that. The timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Whatever
Okay.
topics I covered for them, I'm going to take for you people. And I have given some short break for that batch for 3 days.
Okay.
I think
Okay.
you understood my point, right?
Understood. Understood.
Yeah, right. Any other queries regarding the course details?
Uh, Hello, sir. What's the
Yes,
duration for the course Java?
ma'am.
What's the duration for the course Java?
Around 45 days will be there, ma'am. 45 days. Since it is a normal track, excluding holidays, you can expect 2 months. By the end of Feb, you will get finished with core Java.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Yeah, let me start this core Java. Actually, this core Java, we are going to plan totally in 5 modules. Okay. So what is the first module here is, so what is the first module that we are going to cover? Part 1. So here we are going to discuss only about fundamentals. Like if I want to develop any Java program, what basic things are required? Like introduction. So introduction to Java programming, how you can able to write, and steps to prepare Java application. See, if I want to prepare any Java application, what steps we need to follow, and what are the softwares required so to run Java application. So if I want to develop a simple Java program also, some basic softwares and some IDEs also required, right? Like how to download and how to install those IDEs. So how to develop a program on that, how to create a project, how you can execute the basic steps and all we are going to cover here. After that, so we will talk about the keywords and identifiers. So at any programming language, whether it may be C or Java or anything, so keywords and identifiers is a common thing. Like some words are there in Java or any other language as a fixed meaning. So those are called as keywords, and we will be having some identifiers also. And identifiers means the words which we are defining, and how to write comments, and some naming conventions which is very very important, and data types, and typecasting, how you can cast, I mean how you can convert so one type to another type. Then we have literals. Some people may use the word called constants, then operators, after that input and output statements, next, and after that selection statements, next iterative statements. So next we have transfer statements. So then we have nested loops. Nested loops in the sense something like inner loops. So after this we are going to see so pattern programming, like how to prepare the patterns. So in these fundamentals also we are going to conduct some kind of quizzes, like on each and every topic. So we will be having a quiz, so you can participate, and it is a interactive based quiz. Like questions will be displayed on my screen, and you have to select answers from your mobile or something like that. And the leaderboard position will be there, negative marking will be there. So who is going to come first? It is a kind of challenging and more tricky questions will be there in this quiz for every topic. And even coding based questions also will be there. Like some programs I'm going to solve, and some programs I will give as assignment for you to practice. And I will use some hacker rank link, so with almost 100 plus programs, just for practice purpose you can practice these things. So this is nothing but a part 1 fundamentals we have. So we will spend maximum time on this. In this time period I'm not going to take any extra sessions, because so learning fundamentals is very very important for this Java, right? That's why maximum time we will spend on these fundamentals. Once if we are clear with fundamentals, remaining things will become very easy. This is nothing but the first part in our module 1. Any queries? Any queries?
So whatever you will type the program, that the program will get us Prakash, or how it is
No,
that
no. What is your question? I'm not getting you properly, sir. Can you please repeat?
no, my question is that let's say you are typing the program as part of the each of the topic, right?
Yes.
So that program, how you will provide means you will share that program to us, or
Yeah. We are going to share a running notes. You can see here. It is a previous batch running notes. Like
oh,
every
okay,
program, I'm going to type and I will copy paste the outputs also, and I will
okay,
share.
okay.
See here.
Okay.
Everything I'm going to type and I will execute. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Sir, one more thing, like
Mm.
for the Java practice programs, like how these program softwares you will be providing to us?
Yeah. So software is not required, sir. Just once if you install, see these
Ah,
coding based questions, it is a something like problem statement only I'm going to give. You have to type in your mission and you need to send answers to me. So whereas coming to the quiz, it is online based quiz. Like I'm going to share my, I mean, I'm going to display the questions on my screen and you have to attempt that one. Okay. Then last one, hacker rank link. It is a tool, sir. It is a platform, online platform. I will show you how it is going to work. Once if the topics got completed, I will show you how you can execute the programs. Okay.
okay.
If you want 1 second, I will show you one thing. Yeah, you can see it is a demo link actually. It may not work. 1 second. Yeah, you can see it's a kind of a platform, sir. I'm going to give this link for you people. You have to practice in this. So almost more programs will be there here. You can see like this. Just you need to select any one program and you have to click on solve. You can see, so question will be there as well as constraints and some sample test cases also I'm going to give. You have to type the program and you need to run the code to check whether it is working or not. If it is working, just you need to click on submit button. See, in this, you can expect basic level programs to advanced level programs. So maximum basic level programs will be there, and some moderate programs also will be there. Top level programs around 100, sorry, 10 or 15 like that, it will be there. And very important, sir, the people who are there in final year or pre-final year, for that, this course is going to be helpful. I mean, this coding practice. So these things are going to be helpful. Okay, sir, clear? Sir, clear everyone? Any other questions in these fundamentals?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, are you provided us a video, recorded video?
Yes. Once if the session got completed, we are going to share the video on the same day night itself. Okay.
Okay.
And these videos will be accessible for you only for 6 months. That's why whenever the session completed, maximum try to revise the video as early as possible. Okay. It will be in your drive for 6 months. Once if time period completed, automatically it is going to be deleted. Sir, any other questions on fundamentals? If you are clear, then we will move to the next one. What about arrays strings? Yeah. Arshit, please wait. Just I discussed only part 1 of our Java. Just only syllabus. And one more thing, let me show you that quiz platform also, so that you can get some clarity. So it is a previous batch video. Just we are going to have a quiz like this. Yeah, like this. A quiz will be there. You can see. So the questions are going to be displayed on my screen. Student has to select the answer, and finally we are going to decide who is going to come first next, like that. So this platform I will introduce how to execute and all. So it will be there only for fundamentals. So for remaining parts, we are going to see different patterns. This is part 1, sir. Okay. Now coming to this Java part 2. In this part 2, main important topic like object oriented programming, that is nothing but object oriented programming we are going to see. See, in these we have around 50 subtopics are there. 50 subtopics are there. So I don't want to type each and every topic name, like method overloading, method overriding, constructors, so factory methods, okay, instance factory methods, static factory methods, so static block, instance block, like a number of things will be there in this. Okay, I don't want to type each and everything. And in these output based questions also we are going to discuss. Like once if the session got completed, I'm going to show some 5 or 6 questions. You need to judge the answer. Okay, and after this, very important here, interview questions are very important, because majority of the companies are going to ask the questions only based on these oops. So that's why I will focus mainly on oops concepts. So the second priority after learning fundamentals, you need to get more priority on these oops concepts. Then part 3, once if it is oops completed, then we are going to see so containers in Java, like how you can able to hold the data. So for that we have some special utilities, like we have arrays are there, and strings are there, and collections are there. So what is the purpose of these strings? These are containers, like array can contain some data, so strings can contain some data, and the collections also a group of objects. Like these are the containers, and we are not required to think anything about this. So this is the most easiest part in the Java, but lengthy topics will be there, but all are predefined. We are not required to do anything. So for arrays, predefined support is there. For strings, we have 4 classes are there, like string buffer, string builder, string buffer. Then collections, we have array list, linked list, so list, set, map, dictionary, like that we have a number of things are there. So this is nothing but part 3. So the first advanced topic is we are going to talk about regular expressions. Like so what is mean by regular expression? How you can able to develop regular expression for validations, like that. Next, wrapper classes. Of course, it is outdated, but it is very important. Okay, these are deprecated, but there is one concept called auto boxing, auto unboxing. This is also very important. And sorry, I forgot to mention. So for containers, so I'm going to give some 10 10 tests. 10 tests I'm going to give. So every test contain, okay, every test contain so 50 questions. 50 questions, so with negative marking, just for practice. You need to practice. At the end, I will show you how it is going to work. And I'm not going to take this in live class. I will share the link in the WhatsApp group. So I will give some time. On the time, you need to start and you need to end the exam. And on arrays, 2 exams will be there. On strings, so 2 exams will be there. Rest of the exams will be on collections. So it is a kind of a different platform I'm going to introduce. And if you are thorough with this, so I can give guarantee that you can attend any kind of interview with a confident, because everything is a predefined and easiness will be there. So I forgot to mention there. And regular expression, wrapper classes. Next, exception handling. Next, multi-threading. Okay, so next and after that, very important, like lambda expression, new features. So functional interface, then stream api. So these things I'm going to cover. These are Java new features. And the last part, so which is nothing but storage areas. Like, sir, I developed one application, it is working fine using all these concepts I developed, but I want to run this. I want to install in client machine and I want to run this. When client is executing the program, you must preserve the data, right? For that, we have two things are there. One is a file handling, second one is database handling. For database, I will use both MySQL and Oracle. Both I am going to explain. So okay, this is nothing but so Java syllabus what we have total. I divided it into 5 parts. So in these 5 parts, exams will be there for fundamentals. So part 2 and part 3. These topics I am going to give exams. Online exams will be there, and the coding questions will be there only for part 1. Okay, and output based questions will be there for this. And for this containers advanced Java, based on this we are going to develop a small console based mini project, a small console based mini project we will develop. Like what are the concepts that we are understanding, that we are learning in this core Java. With the help of those concepts, we will develop one project with a live, and some what you can say, some ideas I will give, you can develop by your own. If you are having any queries also, we will have a interaction and we will do it. Okay, so this is nothing but the syllabus what we have for core Java. Any queries? Yes, please confirm, guys. Any queries?
No, sir.
Sir, any queries? Please confirm.
Sir,
No
one
response.
query is there.
Hmm.
I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, you are audible. Please.
Do we have any fast track, sir?
No, sir. No, sir. We don't have any fast track. We don't have any fast track. Maybe you can expect in the month of February fast track batch, that too weekend.
Okay, thank you.
So hi Prakash sir. So
Yeah, hi.
again, means each of the topic you have written in the board, right? So each of the topic you have given a programmatic example, right?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Okay, so that program you will copy paste on the notepad
No,
and that
no,
will
no,
be
no, no, no. I'm going to type each and every program with my own hands, and I will execute that program, and then I will copy paste into your running notes and I will share that.
okay. Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah. And I too expect the same thing from you people. Don't copy paste my programs into your system and execute, because definitely it will execute. You have to try by your own. At least 3 times you can try. Fourth time you can see and you can type, but don't copy paste. At this stage, it will be very easy. But once if you go to the next level, it will be very difficult. That's why while learning, please learn from the scratch. That is my
Yeah,
sincere request for everyone.
sure.
Sir, one more thing. For this C, basic C is good enough, sir,
Sir,
to work for Java.
as per almost 5 or 6 years back, if you want to learn any programming language, so compulsory you must have an idea about some programming languages. Then it will be good. But nowadays that is not at all a matter, sir. The person who don't know anything about the programming language also they can learn. So the only thing is time taking up to certain level. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just you need to put some extra concentration. That's all. So once if you came to the streamline, everything will be good. Any other queries?
Sir, after this course, we have to do Spring Boot to
Yes, sir,
means.
definitely, sir. You need to go for frameworks if you want to be expert. And one more thing, just very good question you asked. So this course is suitable for the students who don't know anything about Java. Okay, and the students who wants to learn full stack. See, nowadays corporate training institutes and everywhere full stack Java is there. The people are always looking for fast track. So within 3 months I want to finish full stack. It is highly impossible, sir. So with practical things I'm telling, so full stack Java, if you want to learn minimum, so 8 to 9 months you need to spend. Okay, so already if you have a learned Java or some technologies like Oracle, these things, then it will be very easy for maybe 6 months or 5 months. It is okay. But without any knowledge, learning full stack is very difficult. That's why First, you should have a knowledge on basic things like Java, one database connectivity, either it may be MySQL or Oracle or MongoDB or anything. So one UI technology tool, one framework, okay, one programming language. With all these stuff, if you are able to think how projects are working in the background, I'm not asking about the implementation, how it is working realistically. If you have that idea, then learning framework become very easy. Then you can map all the things and you can develop the projects easily. So there, while learning the frameworks, if any faculty is telling here auto boxing is happening, if you don't know about auto boxing, from the point, next 1 hour class won't understand. So that's why frameworks are very, very important. So the people who don't know anything about Java or any other database, so for them it will be useful. And the people who are in final year or pre-final year or freshers with 1 year experience, for them it will be very good, sir. And the people who are changing their domain or the people who wants to shift from non-IT sector to IT sector, so you people have to learn frameworks also, because for freshers people are going to give some training period on the frameworks how to utilize. So but experienced candidates, these frameworks they won't learn. Compulsory, the people wanting some experience, they need to learn frameworks also in addition to this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear everyone? Right. So next, just I will start with, like of course, around 3 to 4 days will be there. There we will discuss about the syllabus of this UI technologies. Okay, UI technologies. Okay, and Oracle 19C syllabus also I will show you. So then advanced Java, these syllabus I will explain in the next commissions, because complete syllabus I'm not going to take here. So now I'm going to start one small topic, not theory topic. I will start one practical topic, so that you can able to understand and you will feel that how Java will be. Okay, is it possible for us to understand or not? Like that, you can think. Okay, so the first only intro part I'm going to explain nothing but data types. So with your knowledge, anyone tell me what is mean by data type? Just by seeing the name, okay, or by seeing the words, and you can frame and you can imagine something like that, right? So tell me what is mean by data type. At least you can guess, right? Okay, fine. Sir, can I use the word call? So data type. Data type represents the type of the data that we are using in our Java program. Okay. Sir, what type of data you are using in your program is decided by data type. Sir, is the definition is okay? Everyone, please confirm. Is the definition is okay?
Yes.
Right. Sir, can you please give some examples? Definitely. Sir, here I'm going to give, I want to represent weight of a person. Sir, weight is almost 82 kgs, sir. I'm taking like weight is equal to 82. Sir, 82 is what type of data? Integer. Have you observed? I used one special word called int. Int means what here? Integer. Int means what here? Integer. So it is one data type. It is one data type. Next, percentage is equal to some 75.56. Sir, what type of data it is? Float means it is also number, but points representation will be there, like petrol price, okay, height of a person. These things we will measure by using points, right? Hence is called as percentage. Similarly, so I want to take one person name as a Kalyan. Have you observed? I use double quotes. It is nothing but name, sir. Whose name? A person name. It is considered as a string. So these are nothing but what? Data. So name is holding what type of data? A sequence of characters. Hence I used a word called string. Sir, 75.56. It is a floating point value. So point representation. That's why further is one separate name there called 82. It is a number, numeric value. Hence it is called as integer. Like we have. Clear, guys? Sir, any questions from this? Clear everyone? Please respond. Please be active. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So in the above example, sir, int, float, string are data types. What type of data we are using is nothing but data types. Now I will give one small mini project kind of thing, like one case study. So one case study. So we will analyze. What is that is, I am taking employee management system, like that one EMS software I want to develop. Sir, developing this, I come across various types, sir. Okay, like so I noticed that employee ID we are using. I noticed that employee name will be there. Okay. Right. So employee name will be there. So next and after that, every employee associated with some email ID. So every employee associated with some salary. So every employee is having gender like male or female, something like that. So married or not, something like that. Next mobile number. Next and after that, for communication purpose, address will be there. Okay, and also designation, like what is the role of that particular employee in the company. Like you can consider n number of things. Sir, employee ID is what type of data? Sir, I will use numbers like employee ID 1 2 3 like that. Name is what type of data? Sir, just now I have given example, right? String means what? A group of characters. Sir, what about email ID? It is also string, sir. What about the salary? It is something like decimal value. Means what? Sir, points representation will be there. Indirectly, it is called as float. What about the gender? Sir, it is a boolean, which can take only two values, either yes or no. These type of things will be. So, sorry. It is nothing but what? Character, M or F. What about married? Yes or no? What about don't tell it is here, it is string. So you store mobile numbers, you are not going to do addition, right? Will use only for string. Yes, happy weekend. There is no problem at all. Okay. Sir, address is what type? It is also string type. Sir, designation is what type? It is also string type. One small note I'm going to cover. What is that notice? In Java, not only in Java, in all programming languages, the most commonly used data type is string, sir. Very, very important. If you learn string very well in Java, happily you can sustain in the industry, sir. Because concepts will be there based on string only. Sir, up to this, whatever I covered, do you have any queries?
Then when it should be true or false.
Sir, come again.
Saying Boolean, we have values of true and false, no?
Yes. Just for your understanding, I have given like this. So later we will change. Okay. Any other queries, guys? Right.
Sir, why we
One,
are using character for gender?
madam, male or female, M or F. Some people may use called male. Okay, so or female, like that you will type. Comparison will take some time. If I use M and then F, comparison is very easy, right? Have you observed, madam? It is how many characters? 4 characters. This one is how many characters? 6. But these two are one character. Space wise, got it?
Yes, sir.
Clear, guys? Sir, any queries? That's all.
No,
This
sir.
is nothing. That's all. This is nothing but today's demo. So tomorrow also demo will be there. Okay, just today I explained only the syllabus part and just introduction to data type. Tomorrow we will see that UI technologies syllabus and then continuation of these data types. Okay, like that 4 demos will be there. After that regular classes will be there. Again, before closing the session, I am telling what is the timings of this session. The timings is not 9 o'clock. Remember, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. sessions will be there. Got it, guys? Please confirm.
From
Yeah.
tomorrow, no, sir.
No. Only for regular classes. Demos will be there as usual.
Okay.
So demos are from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. only. So today first class, right? That's why I am winding up 45 minutes. Okay.
So regular class will be happen Monday to Friday, is it?
Yes, Monday to Friday. This
So
week classes will be from 9 to 10, sir. From Monday onwards, your classes will be from 8 to 9. Okay.
okay.
Okay, that is a regular class, sir.
Yes, sir, regular class.
Okay, so not before that. You're not starting before that, huh?
No.
Okay. So the classes will start from Monday onwards. Otherwise, it is only a demo which we are going to attend from 9 to 10.
Yes. In the demos, whatever I am telling, I won't repeat in the regular class. So you can treat it as a normal. Already we started. Okay.
Okay.
And if you are having any queries, we will spend some time on doubts clarification session. I mean, 8 to 9 session will be there, right? 9 to 9:20 or 9:15 like that. If any student is having any problem or any concept, then we will spend some time. But whole class I am not going to repeat. Got it?
Okay.
Fine, guys. See you in the next session. Same link, same timings. See you tomorrow, 9 o'clock. Please join 5 minutes before, guys. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Good night.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Okay. The title of the course is Basic Java Package. The courses you are going to get in this Basic Java package is around 4 courses you are going to get, like Core Java, then Advanced Java, then UI Technologies, Oracle 19C. These 4 courses you will get along with one mini project in Basic Java package. The duration of the course is 4 months, January, February, March, April. Maximum by the end of April, we will complete this batch. So fees for this batch is 12,000. Actual timings of this session is not from 9 o'clock, sir. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And it is a normal track. Means I am going to explain each and every concept in this 1 hour duration. So with a clear, neat explanation by taking some time. So in this, there are 2 courses. You can select only Core Java if you need. Fees for that is 5,000. So the people who wants to complete this complete mini project, the complete front end to back end technologies, if you want to learn except frameworks, you can go with Basic Java package, which includes 4 courses. The fees for this is nothing but 12,000. Okay. And one more very, very important conclusion. So yesterday I forgot to mention. So our batch is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Maximum try to be there 1 hour before, 1 hour after. That means, so sometimes I may plan this UI technologies from 7 to 8. Okay. And sometimes I may plan Oracle 90 from 7 to 8. Maximum chances are there. That when Core Java completed, so before starting the Advanced Java, in the middle of Core Java or in the ending of Core Java, I will have another batch for UI technology. I mean, batch. So you are going to join that. Please maintain this kind of thing because this is very, very important. At which we are not going to see. So maximum 2 timing slots will be there. Core Java, Advanced Java is going to be finished from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. only. So if possible, I will take this and Oracle 19C from 7 to 8. So meanwhile, gap also will be there. There won't be any continuation. So in the cases, I will take 45 minutes for UI. Okay, then 15 to 20 minutes break. After that, our core Java class is going to be started. Like that, plan will be there. Anyway, all these things we will discuss. So in the middle of core Java, till completion of the fundamentals, there won't be any distance, there won't be any parallel barriers. Okay, so I need to give this information. That's why. And coming to yesterday, I explained core Java syllabus, which contains almost 5 parts. In the first part, we are going to see fundamentals with some quizzes and coding programs and hacking. In the second part, object-oriented programming, where around 50 to 60 subtopics we are cover, along with output-based programming questions and also inter questions and containers, arrays, strings, collection framework, everything will come here. So in this around, we are going to plan 10 tests. So every test contains 50 choice questions with negative marking just to test your knowledge. That so if you are getting top marks or getting 0 marks, we won't do anything. Just it is kind of revision for you people. So you are very good at stack and queue. For stack and queue, we will have 50 MCQs. One test will be there for that. So just you need to read the code, you need to select the proper answer, time will be there, time duration limit will be there. And even we are going to have a kind of negative marking so that you will select the correct answer. So you'll put your minds right. Okay. And for advanced topics where regular expressions, web wrappers, exception handling, multi and some Java features like Lambda expressions, interface, stream API, all are predefined features. Next, in part 5, storage areas will be there like file handling, database handling. So by concluding this, we will see a small console-based mini project also. So this is nothing details about the course what we are going to cover. So if you are having any queries to this, please let me know. No queries, right? Sir, clear, everyone?
Sir, in the core Java, which part will you teach?
Very good question. This is wrong question. There won't be a separate syllabus for different versions. Syllabus is common, sir. In versions, we are going to get new features. Like we have 23 to 24 versions are there. In every version, some new concepts will be added. So beyond that, won't be. But those small, minute changes we will ignore because it is not a research area, right? The small things we are not going to focus. So the main stable versions are there, like Java 8, Java 11, Java 7. So in that, what are the concepts are there that I'm going to cover in this part only. Okay, so you can consider it Java 8, Java 11, Java 17. This is my main focus. It's
Yeah, okay, sir.
any other questions regarding this course?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. And part will be included in core Java.
Yes, the syllabus I still know is core Java only. Okay.
And in advanced Java that UI technologies Oracle 19C and
Yeah.
JML.
Yes, that will be there. Just I have given only first part is core Java syllabus. That's all as of now. Okay.
Okay.
And even yesterday we started data types, but before moving to these data types, so still there are 3 more courses are there, right? Like technologies, Oracle 19C, and also Java. So collections and generics. Actually, you can see yesterday you attended, right? In part 3, clearly I mentioned collections. In these collections only, generics will come. Okay, everything will be there in collections only. Got it? Right. So yeah, good. So now let me give the syllabus for Oracle 19C. So today let me give the syllabus for Oracle 19C. So how is 19C name came? What is mean by that C? Okay. So what are the different versions are there? That story and all we will see in later class. So let me give the syllabus here. The syllabus is not having any modules, sir. So because it is a database and very easy, but more queries will be there that we need to focus. So here first we are going to see fundamentals. In every course, fundamentals are very important, right? So fundamentals of database, like what is by database, we are going for data. So if we don't have any database where we can preserve the data, so what advantages are there? So over file system, what benefits are there? Everything we are going to see. Okay. Okay, is expensive. You can compare with other institutes, you will get clarity. Right. So it is more worthy, sir. So I think once the course is finished, you'll get that feeling. It will be like we have to see the content, sir, not the fees or something like that. If we have 5 demos, before demos will be there, right? Later you can take the decision. If it is worthy, you can. Okay. So these are related things. This fixed, sir. It is an offer. Then, so we are going to see SQL, and there are some client tools there. How you can able to work on the client tools like structure query language. So what are the client tools that we have? We have SQL plus is there. SQL developer is there. Okay, so PLSQL developer is there. Like we have different kinds of things there. And after that, we are going to see the data types like programming language in database also. While storing the data, compulsory you have to give the type of the data. Then the SQL commands are divided into different types like data definition language commands. Then so data manipulation language commands. At a top level in detail with multiple examples with assignments we will discuss. And the data query language, DEQL commands are there. Then DL commands, data control language commands are there. All these things we will discuss. Okay. Then next after we are going to talk about operators for some basic operations like other programming languages. Here also operators will be there, but there won't be any input and output because so we will use other tools right to push the data into database and get the data from database. So we will use some interfaces. So we won't directly involve. But if you want to, we can add prompt and all that SQL plus tool is there. We will see that. So then we are going to see some kind of constraints also, sir. Okay, so we have strength like integrity constraints. So we have primary key, foreign key, default constraint, check constraint. Okay, so like how you can use these constraints. So as example, email. So email ID cannot be duplicated, right? Mobile number cannot be duplicated, right? So yes, we have to one specially. So you are trying to duplicate key, immediately it is going to throw error. So we have some conditions. Suppose I'm not even mark of a student. Default it takes. So how are you going to take in the to give that? That part we will discuss. Next and after that joins. How you can able to combine the tables. Like my table might be available in two different tables. So how you can able to get the data? You can because everything will be available in a single. So compulsory the data will be available in different tables. So from that we have to get best example. So total India. So you use Aadhaar number to integrate with any table, any database. For example, I want to verify bank accounts. So if your Aadhaar number fingerprint is there, so you can check all bank details. So your Aadhaar database is connecting to bank details. So like that everywhere we can. That means I am trying to say we can combine the tables. For that we have okay, next after that we have views are there, something like template tables, and then make efficient search operation. So we have indexes are there, and we have some clusters are there. All these things some people don't. So if I explain then sequences like up to 3 sequences, so we are going to cover mini project also. Examples I'm going to use sequences. So next and after the sub queries, like if you are taking any query within another query, then it is called as what subquery. So how you can able to use subqueries? Okay, so how you can interact with the subqueries, like how to use these queries, what rules and regulations there, everything we are going to see. Okay, next partitions. So partitions means what? So how you can able to use these partitions, what are the different types of partitions are there. Then SQL functions, then PLSQL, very very important. How to do the programming with a PLSQL? What kind of programs you can able to do? Okay, so then subprogramming. Subprograms means what? So in that we are going to discuss about stored procedures. Stored procedures means what? Okay, next control statements, if condition, loops. So control statements we are going to discuss here, and the cursors. What is mean by cursor? How you can able to use that? Okay, even, exception is providing support in Oracle. So how that? Then records, how you can deal with records. Then functions, how to create your own functions. So even in this also we have some basic collection there. Then next and after that triggers. Okay, so last packages. So these are nothing but the topics which we are going to cover on this article. Of course, as of now I didn't divide into parts. Okay, I didn't divide into modules, just with on flow. This is nothing article 19C syllabus what we have. If you are having any queries on this syllabus, please let me know. Clear?
So, yeah, I have taken core Java. I have taken so the syllabus and the code which you have taken in the other batch over here.
No, I'm getting your question.
Like you have a separate package core Java first, right? Some days back.
Yes.
The same thing is covered here because I missed that one. I need core now. So same syllabus covered here.
Yes, syllabus only, ma'am.
Okay. So in this first we'll take the core Java in the need and add this Oracle after taking core Java.
Suppose if
Okay.
time permits, if strength is good enough, then we won't give any batches. Directly we will start. So if strength is less, then only we'll plan another add-on batch for this.
No, not add-on. See,
No,
till core
I understood. So you are asking first you will register for core Java, later you will join for Article 19. See, that is your
yeah.
question. So
Yeah.
here it is 4 courses are there right now. So we are going to delete only 2 courses at the very beginning. So people who registered for core Java, smoothly the class will be there for 8 to 9 for around 5 days. Once if it is completed, the batch is completed, then people register for all the courses.
Okay.
Maybe only for one course, another batch we will merge into this. It's nothing but UI technologies.
Okay.
Understood? For Article 19C and Advanced Java, there won't be any new batch. It is continuation of the basic.
No, that's what after core Java we can continue by paying the remaining fees
No,
if
no,
we
no,
need.
no, that is not
No.
possible. That's what I'm telling.
Oh, yeah.
That facility
Okay,
will be there only for you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So any queries? Can I continue?
Sir, batch time will be 8 to 9 p.m. for the rest of the 4 months.
Yes, for rest of the 4 months to 9 p.m. is fixed. So that I told at the very beginning. So you can please make quality from 7 to 8 also for around some 30 days. So because these UA technologies are there, right? I am going to plan this UATs from 7 to 8. That will be giving the date also in the month of February. It will be there.
Okay.
So once if the core Java 50% complete, then only I will add a new for your technology from 7 to 8 that you people are going to join. Only for UI. Remaining 3 courses will be there in this duration only is fixed. And only on weekdays. It is only weekdays. Maximum there won't be any weekend sessions, but any topic demands some exercises, some easiness, some functions. So redefined tools if I want to demonstrate, so then I will plan. And even sometimes I'm going to take notes clarification sessions on weekends. Okay, like that some extra special activities will be there. Sir, clear?
Yes, sir.
Actually, sir, I'm having one question here. Talks of like JDBCs of latest list. So if we to the current time, it's not new JDBC GCN service, like not much projects are.
So sir, correct.
So
Yeah.
So if we see immediately the projects are using the Spring Boot with microservices and with full Java. So will you touch these topics from external? Are going to do the depth explanation on these topics?
Sir, this question yesterday itself I answered. Actually, it is a basic Java package, sir. Because see, if I am explaining directly framework, any framework, so the students, some people can understand those who are having some knowledge in programming. Other people they can't. That's why. So you know very well these are basics only. So to develop a small project, basic things required. First we are going to cover. Once if you have idea about all these things, then you can go for next level. So directly we can't go on that, right? I'm keeping in that mind and we will announce this batch. So I told yesterday, after learning this, the next step is you have to go for frameworks. Then it is called full stack. That's why we kept the batch called basic Java package. In that frameworks we are not going to touch. Got it, sir?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Right. So in fact, in the month of April or no, not April, May or June, I'm going to take full stack Java. So there are some separate frameworks separately there is. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, if I want to cover only the core Java part, so I can
You
pay
can
for only
pay
for core Java, right?
yes, only core Java,
So
and you can get.
so sir, normally this core Java course will be complete in how many months?
Sir, 100 months, sir. Exactly 45 classes.
Okay. So that also second option. So that will also be Java web and new
Yes,
features as well, right?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Like Lambda Express, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, right, sir.
And how
Right.
about the notepad?
Ma'am?
Notepad, you write the notes will be that.
I'm going to share a running notes, ma'am. Once I will show you. I'm going to give drive access to everyone. You can see this is nothing but our drive access. Already this batch got started. This is the add-on batch. So you can see just I am going to give running notes and related materials, everything here itself. Okay, just you download, you practice. Every day I'm going to update this.
So sir, this batch is started today only, right?
Yes, sir. This is add-on batch. So trying to say 1 week before this new batch at 18 got started, and only some less strength is there in that. So that just to pick up that we have planned another add-on batch. This is add batch. This week completely 9 to 10 class will be there. From onwards it will be it. I'm going to merge with that. The top level I covered for that batch, I'm going to finish here. Okay. It just is kind of push-ups. That's all. Because once course, that's just a kind of management. Clear, sir? Sir, okay about this Arkansas. So what about the syllabus for UIT and advanced Java? We will see this in the tomorrow sessions. So that's all about syllabus. And coming to core Java, already started yesterday. One topic. Again, I'm not going to repeat this topic. I told already. So please, sir, I will revise for 5 minutes and I will continue. So yesterday we started one programmatic concept, which is very important, called data types. So what is data type? Data type represents the type of the data that we are using in our program. So what kind of data you are using in the program is always called as data type. Example also I have given. Like if you take base equal to 82. So 82 is what type of data? Integer. 75.56 is percentage of the student. What type of data it is? Point. So I have yeah. So it is nothing but any what type of data it is? String. Like that. So int for string nothing but data type represents what type of data we are using in our program. In yesterday we have seen one case study also. What's that case study? Employee management system like EMS. So we analyzed so many data types like employee ID, employee ID, what type of data it is a number, name, what type of data it is string because a group characters like mail ID, so string, salary, decimal value like a point, it is called as float, gender, it is a character, male or female, so married, so boolean type, yes or no, mobile number, some people may feel it is integer, but please make sure we won't do any arithmetic operation with mobile number, it is a string type of data only, address string type of data, designation string type of data, leave analysis, so we are going to decide in advance what types we are going to store. Okay, so to note here is note for one in Java. So we have both primitives. We have both the primitives and nouns. Remember, there are two terms here. What is the term? Preview. What is mean by second one? Object. We have both the primitives there. Object. Sir, what is mean by preview? What I mean by object? Let me have simple explanation of this. Example. Listen carefully. See how. Yeah, for your easy understanding purpose, I am. See, consider there is one small chocolate with me. So raw chocolate in the sense it is not covered with anything, just chocolate is there. So happily we can take this and we can eat. See, chocolate is there with me. Okay, same there, other copy is there, but that chocolate is beautifully wrapped with some cover, sir. So wrapped with some cover. Now, sir, this is nothing but in my terminology we can call it as primitive. So this one we can call it as sir, what is the difference? Primitive means you can take and you can eat. Object means you can open wrapper and you can eat. Primitive, you can't send across network. Sir, I want transfer this from 1 kilometer. Is it possible? No. Sir, I want to transfer this particular object for 1 kilometer. So that is nothing but the main difference. So objects are having the across network. We can store that in any database. We can retrieve it is compatibility there like that. So what about primitive? It won't provide that much feature. At a very basic level, just what mean by preview. So what is mean by object? I hope you got clarity. In Java, we have both, but highest priority should be given for what? Objects only. Highest priority will be given for objects only. Don't worry, we will see all these things. In Java, how many types of data types are there? Primitives are there, objects are there. Some people are going to write primitives and non-primitives. Sir, non-primitives is nothing but what? Objects only. This is the first. Is it clear, everyone? Everyone
Yes,
here
sir.
with us? Please
Yes.
inform.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one, please have a interaction. So second point. Right.
So,
What is the
sir,
second point?
sir, throughout the sessions, I mean, going forward, we can do any questions
Yes,
because I have attended the usually from the 3 months classes. So there I only can
no, you can
Okay.
unmute at any point of time. So I won't hesitate. You can unmute at any point of time. You can interrupt me. You can ask queries.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, right. So second note here is very important, sir. Sir, you told in Java we have primitives are there, objects are there. Today I developed one application by using primitive. Sir, my client demanded object. Then is it required to write the entire code by changing the primitive object? No, not required. Why? Because since these are two different activities, at any point of time in Java, we can convert. Okay, we can convert so primitives into objects, primitives into objects, and objects into primitives, vice versa. Both are possible. Sir, if you are converting primitives into objects, there is one technical name is there as auto. It is called as AB. So you can also convert sometimes objects into primitives automatically. So this concept is called as sir auto unboxing. AUP. Like that, there is one concept is there. The class I'm going to discuss this. We can convert. Depends on the scenario. We can convert. So why? Because sir, I'm going to purchase a new container. I'm purchase a new in this container like boxes will like this boxes will be there. Now my question is, sir, I want to store this primitive into this particular object. No, it's not possible. Sir, I want to store this object. Yes, it is possible. Sir, if not possible, what? No problem. You can convert the primitive into object form. And you can store. This process is called auto-sync. We have this facility because of this small set, so we are achieving big advantage. So clear the second note. Please confirm.
Yes.
You have to answer for this. Tell me, assume that this thing, but the overall application which I am going to develop. Tell me in this which data you are seeing most frequently or most commonly?
String.
String. So that is the third note. What is the third note? Is the most common. Okay, the most commonly used data in Java, programming is nothing but what? String. Sir, please try to remember this line till end. I will to this side because without string, only one Java class is also not possible. In every Java class, without using the word called string, I'm not going to conclude the class. That much important and much easy also. So we will see all those things. So these are nothing but three important notes related to data. If you are clear with this, then go for the